Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Gerel. Today we're going to be doing a very just chilling, trying on some products and playing with some makeup and creating some looks in a very chilling spot. This is my chilling spot. Like, here is my vanity. I have everything accessible to me. I don't have to walk around. I don't have to get stressed out from forgetting something or anything like that. So we're just gonna be chilling out together and putting on some makeup, and I hope you guys are okay with that. I do want to create another look using the mini Natasha Denona palette. I already created a look and I did a review on the whole entire collection, but I actually want to play with this one again, and I want it to be even more smokier than the one I did before. And I also want to try this new foundation from Huda Beauty. This is the FAUXFILTER Luminous Matte. It is the brand new foundation that they just came out with. They sent me the shade in Custard as well as Amaretti, and I want to try it and see how it looks. Let's go ahead and get started, but before we do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my eyes, and I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. I really like and I have been enjoying this one. A little bit goes a long way, and I'm using my P88 from Sigma to blend this out. I'm going to bring it down underneath my eyes. All right, taking the shade My, I'm going to start adding that color all over my lid, and I'm really just packing the color. All right, now using this small blending brush, this is the M506 from Morphe. I'm going to grab the same shade Mine, and I'm going to start blending this shade on the edges. All right, grabbing the Sigma E25 and grabbing the shade R, I'm just going to go around the edges for more blending. And you're going to go back and forth with both of the shades, My and R, and just building those two shades to the intensity that you like, blending and packing until you're satisfied with the shade, with the color, with the intensity, with the blending, and everything. Alright guys, so I have been blending out for a little while, and I know it looks crazy, but trust the process for sure. Alright, now using the shade U, which is the duochrome shade, this one right here, and I'm using it on a Sigma E58 brush. I'm going to start packing that shade onto the lid. I'm going to use my finger instead. Yeah, so much better. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Exactly what I wanted. I love this. So just going back with the shade R, just blending. All right, I'm going to clean up and then we come back for the foundation. So because I'm going to be trying a new foundation, this one right here from Huda Beauty, I'm going to stick with the primer that has been working out for me, which is the Tatcha, and I do have the mini one. I hope that I still have some. Yeah, I do. So just a pump, and I'm going to work it from the middle of my face to the outside. The U shade from the mini palette is so gorgeous, and you can actually see the duochrome from it apply underneath the My shade. So much better. Like, you can see the pinkiness, the golden is just gorgeous, and I love this so far, so I cannot wait to actually be done with the look. Here is the foundation. I am going to be using the shade Custard, and this is what the packaging looks like. It looks really similar to the original foundation, and it does have a pump. I'm going to be using my sponge, just like I always use my foundation. I'm going to use that much. Let's start on this side. Yeah, that's my perfect shade right now. And I tend to get red around my brows, and that's why I'm doing my foundation before my brows. I need a mirror. Yeah, that's definitely my shade. Is perfect. So let's go ahead and do the chin. So it says that it's a luminous foundation, but I don't see any luminosity on it. Like, it's not dewy. It's not like the Fenty kind of foundation. It looks pretty matte to me. Well, it is luminous matte, which, okay. So, I mean, you can see the coverage from one side to another. I'm just going to continue. So yeah, this foundation is drying super fast. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything though. Like, I do feel a little bit on this side, a little bit heaviness, but I think it's because it's drying down, because here is completely dry and I don't feel it at all. All right, so I do have a blemish right here. Let's go ahead and cover that up. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. It feels like it doesn't have anything, but my skin looks perfected. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't feel cakey. I'm really close to you guys right now. So here is the face with the foundation. It just looks so good, like perfected. Oh my goodness, this is so good. And it does not feel like anything. All right, so the foundation that I have in my collection that I know that gives me this flawless coverage is the Jouer foundation, and that one does feel like heavy on the skin. It doesn't feel lightweight. This one feels like air. It does not feel like anything. And look at my skin. Like, the redness on my chin is gone. My nose is completely covered. Oh my gosh. I'm so impressed right now. Like, seriously, I'm not even joking. It does not feel like anything. So just in case I didn't say that enough, it does not feel like anything. All right, so the test is going to be on the concealer. All right, so let's go ahead and test the concealer that I use all the time, which is the Dose of Color in the shade 14. This one is Meet Your Hue concealer. And oh my goodness. Okay. A little bit. Dude, I am so impressed with this foundation right now. It is crazy. Work this concealer. All right, it's blending. It's blending. It's not pulling the foundation. Wow. And this is blending so beautiful. All right guys, so I didn't really want to make it into like a full review for this foundation, to tell you the truth. I just wanted to play with some items in my collection and just create this look for the eyes, but I can't shut up about the foundation. I am so stunned right now. I am so happy that I actually tried it and the way that it feels on the skin. Let me just explain it to you guys so you guys can know. I do have a oily T-zone and it's pretty normal on the outer part of my face. It's not too drying or anything like that. I actually have been taking care of my skin, so it's going back to its original way that it was, which is oily on my T-zone and pretty normal on the outer part of my face. It does not feel like anything, like I mentioned so many times already, but I don't think that you actually need to set it, because it just feels really nice and set, but not heavy. So it feels like you already have a little bit of powder on your face, which is kind of weird because I never had anything like this in my face. Like, this formula is super interesting for sure. So I am going to use a little bit of powder in the center of my face, and I'm going to be using my Pat McGrath powder. I have been really liking this one for sure. So I mean, you need the tiniest amount. once again, you don't even have to set it. Like if you are dry and you prep your skin really, really nicely, if you want to try this foundation, you don't even have to set it at all. All right, so just to save some time, I'm going to apply my brows, mascara, and lashes, and then I'll come back so we can do the rest of the face together, the lips, and of course the bottom lashes. All right, so let's go ahead and finish up with the eyes before we move on to the face. And I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil, and this one is in the shade Versatile Violet, and it's like a purpley kind of shade. All right, guys, now taking a true, we're going to use this to highlight the inner corner. So using my Dior palette, I'm going to be bronzing my face, and I'm going to be using these two colors right here. I'm using the lighter shade first to contour my face, and then I'm going to go with the darker shade to warm up my face a little bit. So this is blending really nice on top of the foundation. I don't see it skipping or anything like that, which is nice. And I didn't even set this foundation in the outer part of my face. It was just in the center. So that's nice. I'm going to contour my nose just a little bit using the same palette. Okay, now going with the warmer shade, just a little bit. All right, I am going to add, I forgot, I'm going to add a little bit of the true shade to my brow bone. Adding a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes before I forget. All right, now taking the Natasha Denona Love Cheek Duo palette. Once again, just to give us a little bit of color on our cheeks. Wow, this is blending to the skin super, super nicely. Using the highlighter. All right, using another pencil from Makeup Forever. This one is in the shade Up and Down Tan. Okay, I can't help myself. I'm gonna have to use Amorosa again because it is so pretty. So pretty. Like, I love these two right here from the collection. I am so in love with. Like, I love it. I love the blush, I love the highlighter, I love the lipstick. So good. Turn down the lighting a little bit just so you guys can see a little bit more of the skin. I mean, it is so pretty. I love it. All right, guys, so yeah, that's it. Super impressed with the foundation. The whole entire look just looks so nice and perfected. I can't wait to try it on a regular day, where I can actually get out of my house and, you know, like just go on about my day and see how the foundation actually wears. I'm definitely interested, and I will keep you guys posted. So just in case you don't follow me, you can definitely follow me on Instagram, which is Gerel_Matta. And also, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, because it does help my channel out, and YouTube actually pushes this to other people just in case they might be interested in seeing this video as well. So all of that helps my channel very, very, very much. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your time, your love, your support once again, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time.